Alright folks, and welcome back to Old School Studios. We're back at Fairview, and now he wants to rip out the kitchen, so that's what I've been doing, ripping out the kitchen after the new floor has been put in. So that was one more time, cart before the horse. And I got one more partial. This was a custom built-in cabinet, so they weren't individual units. I'm down to this corner, and I'm going to get this out of here and get it outside and clean up this mess and figure out the new cabinet configuration. And I think it takes 1, 2, 3. For some reason, there's 18 cabinets in this living room, and there's no way that 18 cabinets goes here. Here's where the stove goes, and then you don't need one in that back corner if the stove goes here, because it would be framed out and there'd be counter over top of it. So I'm not sure what's going on here. We'll figure it out, and I will bring you along with me. So stay tuned, folks. Alright, I got this last cabinet out. So what I'm going to do now is move all this stuff out of the way, sweep up this floor, hook up the vacuum, clean this mess up so I don't scratch this floor any further, and start figuring out and calculating the cabinets. I need to find the sink base. I probably should do the uppers first. So this is what I'm dealing with. 18 cabinets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's 18 boxes in here. There's no way. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I said 11 tops. Alright, so we'll figure this out and get this mess cleaned up. Alright, sometimes I get ahead of myself and I forget to film. And so what I did was I put the corner cabinet in, I found the studs. Actually they were marked and I tested it, they were on 16 on center. And I got the corner cabinet up, and this 18 by 30 and a 12 by 36 and another 18 by 30 should fit right in there in a little, what do you call that, mutton? Whatever that's called, that little piece of wood, scribe molding. And then I'll work this side coming out, and then the bottom. It's easier, I could stand right underneath it. And moving right along, I'm gonna go find this cabinet, get it pulled out, and I'll be back with you shortly. Alright, so I got all these up, and I got this plastic coating on them. This is something new. Shrink wrapping the cabinet doors. Probably is a good idea to leave this on. So for the sake of camera, I'll pull a couple off to show you. It's a satin. And I got a couple, well, I got enough screws for one more, so I'm going to put one more up right here. I'm out of screws. Alrighty. So, uppers are all in. The lowers, there's a 30, that's the oven. I have to shut the water off and cut the hot and the cold in the line and bring it up through the bottom and set this over top of that before this could be installed. I'll do that Monday. It's Friday and it's almost 5 o'clock, so I got all my uppers, all my lowers in place. I need screws and shims. So here is the mystery. I'm left with a 15-inch base, a 30 by 12 upper, a 30, oh wait a minute, this is a 30 by, 36 by 12 upper, a 30 by 12 upper, a 15-inch cabinet, a 30-inch cabinet, an 18-inch cabinet, and 2 more 30-inch base cabinets. It's a mystery. I don't know why there's like a whole, they ship like a whole double kitchen. It's actually more than what's here right now. Actually it's the same amount. There's a 36 sink base and there's 2 30-inch base cabinets. So I don't know what the heck was going on with that. But here we are. Friday, almost 5 o'clock. I'm gonna roll out of here, and this will be part 1 kitchen Fairview or Fairway or whatever the hell this street, Fairmount. Alright folks, take care.